Adjustable thermostatic fan control. For use with rapid cool and Super Duty electric fans. Contains gaskets, O-rings, or seals to properly replace the product. Zinc-coated terminal to resist corrosion. Screw-in type, thread-in probe for installation in water jacket or radiator. Adjustable thermostatic fan control. For use with rapid cool and Super Duty electric fans. Thread-in probe for installation in water jacket or radiator. It is a premium adjustable fan control with screw-in type, thread-in probe that installs in the radiator fin section. It includes wire harness and air conditioning override relay. It is adjustable from 160 to 210 degrees Fahrenheit. It powers 2 fans up to 30 amps, adjustable from 132 degrees Fahrenheit to 248 degrees Fahrenheit across all controllers. Top reviews from the United States. Had to try them out. They worked pretty good the time they lasted. Purchased 2 and installed at the same time. One died in 4 months and the other died in 6 months. I ran one to one radiator fan and one to the other radiator fan. Since radiator fans are known upon startup to draw 30+ amps. I used 2 as a precautionary measure. One fan pulled 25 amps and the other pulled 20 amps. Maybe mounting them anywhere other than under the hood would anyone in the future. They do get extremely hot no matter where they're mounted. Even ran Schottky diodes near the fuse holder in the circuit as triple precautionary measure. Fans are okay. I rate them 2 stars because when they worked good. I am no amateur or novice at any kind of wiring. So I definitely know what I'm doing. We'll be wiring a digital fan controller and relay for half the price.